Hello, welcome back to Defense Info, one stop solution for all your defense needs. Join our Telegram channel Defense Info 2020. And friends, if you have any query related to defense or any information from SSB, NSB, AFSB, do let us know on Defense Info 2020 at the rate gmail.com. Now, friends, I bring you the part 7 of the most important current affairs MCQ compilation series, and it will going to be helpful for UPSC Combined Defense Service Examination 02 2021 as well as NDA 02 2021. And I'm guaranteeing it that if you follow it religiously, you will be getting 20 questions sure shot from this particular series. Now, friends, the first question is as follow in the screen. The Delta variant of India the has further mutated to form of delta plus or called as which variant. So in this particular options you are getting in the screen, so option 1 is the correct answer for this particular question. So option 1 is the correct answer. Now, friends, talking about the next question is as follow on your screen. Who has become the first female fighter pilot from Jammu Kashmir to be inducted in the Indian Air Force? So is it Hafsa Sarin, Mavia Sudan, Jainab Ali, or Muria Ulfa? So Mavia Sudan, she became the first female fighter pilot who has from the Jammu and Kashmir and has been inducted into the Indian Air Force. Now, friends, the next question is as follow in your screen, is that who has won the title of French Grand Prix? So the from the following option, friends, the option 3 is the correct answer. The Max Verstappen has won this particular French Grand Prix 2021. Now, friends, the next question is as follow in your screen. Which bank has announced the launch of Ghar Ghar Ration program? So recently, friends, the Ghar Ghar Yojana has been done by the IDFC First Bank. Option 1 is the correct answer. The next question is, friends, which state has decided to launch Pink special pink board to encourage women to take vaccine? This recently has been done by Uttar Pradesh. So, friends, from the following option, friends, the option 3 is the correct answer. The next question, which ministry has launched the campaign Jan Hai To Jaan Hai? Jan Hai To Jaan Hai to raise the awareness about COVID-19 vaccination. So, friends, it is done by Ministry of Minority Affairs. Option 3 is the correct answer. The next question as follow in the screen, friends. An MOU has been signed between the Ministry of Ports and the Ministry of Culture for cooperation and development of National Maritime Heritage Complex at which state of Gujarat? National Heritage Complex at which state of Gujarat? So, friends, Lothal. The answer is Lothal. So Lothal is a very historic site, as you know, from the Indus civilization. The and the from the following option, option 2 is the correct answer. And friends, just comment down which river flows near the Lothal. Which state has launched the E-Pathshala and E-Mulyankan facility? ठीक है, which state? Is it Punjab, is it Orissa, is it Gujarat, or is it Madhya Pradesh? So recently this has been done by Orissa. E-Pathshala and E-Mulyankan. Now the next question, friends. Which theme of International Day of Yoga 2021? What was the theme? So as you know, yoga plus well-being. From the following option, you can say, friends, the option 4 is the correct answer. So now the next question is as following this current Silver Line flagship is semi-high speed railway project of which state? This is of Kerala, friends. So from the following option, the option 1 is the correct answer. The next question is as following your screen. Which space agency has planned to put the world's first wooden satellite, Visa Woodsat, on the Earth orbits by the end of 2021? Is it NASA, is it Roscosmos, or is it European Space Agency, or it is Chinese Space Agency? So friends, European Space Agency has launched this particular program. Now, friends, the next question is as follow: the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, that is NATO, it's held its 31st summit in which country? So, is it Argentina, is it Belgium, or is it Denmark, or is it United States? Friends, before that, you just need to know that its headquarter is located in Belgium. Okay, and the last member who has been added to NATO was North Macedonia. Just remember that North Macedonia has been added as the last member, and recently the 31st summit was being conducted in the Belgium. So Belgium is the correct answer for this particular for this question. Now, friends, now talking about the next question. The next question is, what is the name of an instrument used for measure of the degree of iodine value? Iodine value in vegetables oil, and this has recently been developed by CSIR. So just comment down the full form of it in the comment section. Now, friends, the option are Siva, Piva, Tiva, or Niva. So, Piva is the correct answer. This has been the correct answer. The option 2 is the correct answer for this particular question. Now, friends, which state has launched the Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan? Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan. This has been launched recently by Delhi. Okay, so not Delhi, friends, as it is given in the state. So state wise, if you see the option, so state wise recently this program has been optioned by Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so similar kind of things has been done by Delhi that I will discuss in the next videos. Now, friends, the next question is, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment has decided to establish uh, Divyangta Khel Kendra in different part of the country. Okay, is it 4, is it 5, is it 10, or is it 7? So option 2 is the correct answer. 5 such things has been decided. Okay, now next question. Now, as you can see in the screen, friends, so a case of aspergillosis has been reported. Aspergillosis, okay. This case has been reported in Madhya Pradesh in COVID-19 patient. So it is the name of aspergillosis. What is the another name? So another name is, friends, the green fungus. The option 4 is the correct answer. Now, friends, the next question is as follow in your screen. You can see Yoga Certification Board. Yoga Certification Board has appointed which of the following organization as a personal certification body? So in this following option, friends, the option 2 is the correct answer. Indian Council of Cultural Relation. Indian Council of Cultural Relation has been appointed as a personal certification body. Now, friends, the next question is as follows in your screen. The historic summit between the US President Joe Biden and Russian President Vladimir Putin took place recently, if you see, in Geneva. Okay, Geneva, this has been took place, and friends, here in the particular option 2 is the correct answer. Now, friends, the next question is as follow, friends. Who is the author of Nutsman Curse? Okay, Nutsman Curse, who is the author? Okay, so I'm giving you the following options, and in this particular option, as you know, friends, option 1 is the correct answer. Amitabh Ghosh, it's the author of Nutmeg's Curse. Now, the next question is as follow in your screen. What is the rank of India in the IMD World Competitive Index? IMD World Competitive Index, what is the rank of India, friends? So, friends, 43rd is the rank of India in the World Competitive Index. Very important, friends. Mark it down. It can come in your exam. Now, the next question is, friends, in your screen, which country has organized the ASEAN Defense Ministry the meeting plus? ठीक है, ADMM plus ASEAN Defense Ministers meeting plus, which country has organized? ठीक है, so following options are given: Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Brunei. So in this, Brunei is the correct answer. This has recently been launched, and before that, friends, let me tell you one thing. ASEAN is a intergovernment organization of 10 the South Asian countries. So, friends, Southeast Asian countries, 10 members, Southeast Asian countries, and this 10 members, friends, it is very easy to remember, and friends, just remember it, because in examination such questions may comes. Also, you just need to know the headquarter of ASEAN. So HQ is located in the Jakarta. So Jakarta is the capital of इंडोनेशिया, ठीक है. So also remember this particular question. The next question is as follow, friends. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Puma Sports Motor Sports India? So this recently been UV Yuvraj Singh, ठीक है. So Yuvraj Singh has been made the member of this. So Yuvraj Singh is the correct answer, option 1. So next question is as follow, friends. Ibrahim Raisi has been elected as the new president of which country? New president of which country? See, this Iran has recently been in news also. So see, Iran's the new president is Ibrahim Raisi, and Iran also became the ninth member, ठीक है, ninth member in where? In SCO, ठीक है. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दिस मे कम इन योर एग्जामिनेशन. Now next question is as follow, friends. The question is, what is the rank of India in Global Peace Index? Global Peace Index, so the rank is 135. Remember this, friends, very important. Global Peace Index, India's rank is 135th. Now the next question is as follow, friends. Which became the first village in India to achieve 100% of its adult population? So which particular village? So this recently been achieved by Vian, ठीक है, Weiyan, and you just need to know it is located in which particular state and which particular district. Just comment down on the comment box, ठीक है. So the next question is as follow, friends. Is that who has been conferred the regional award as Asia's Pacific Productivity Champion for Asian Productivity Organization, Asian Productivity Organization, Japan, ठीक है. So this recently has been conferred to RS Sodhi, ठीक है. RS Sodhi, the Asian Productivity Organization, conferred it, ठीक है, the regional award. Now talking about, friends, the next question. Who has won the women's single title at French Open 2021? So French Open 2021, very important, friends. The Barbora Rejcikova won this. And the next question is as follow, friends, in your screen. Indian sprint Milkha Singh, ठीक है, he was a sprint of 400 meter, ठीक है, very important. And former Asians gold medal, एशियन चैम्पियनशिप, एशियन एशिया जो एशिया में होता है, ठीक है, वो वाला गोल्ड मेडल इन्होंने जीता था. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, द एशियन गेम्स गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट द मिल्खा सिंह, द रिसेंटली दिस हैज़ बिकेम द रेस ऑफ माई लाइफ. दिस इज़ द ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ द मिल्खा सिंह. नाउ यू जस्ट नीड टू नो व्हाट इज़ ऑटोबायोग्राफी एंड बायोग्राफी, ठीक है. ऑटोबायोग्राफी जो खुद लिखता है, कोई पर्सन, पर्टिकुलर ऑथर जो खुद ने अपनी लाइफ के बारे में लिखा है, दैट इज नोन एज ऑटोबायोग्राफी. एंड बायोग्राफी इज somebody else is writing about someone's life story, ठीक है. प्राणा, ठीक है, प्राणा, वायु, स्वास्थ्य, ठीक है, 3 type of ventilator developed by which organization? So this is recently done by ISRO, ठीक है. ISRO has done this particular thing. The option 3 is the correct answer. The next question is follow in your screen, friends. Naftali Bennett, who sworn as the Israel's new prime minister, belongs to which particular party? ठीक है, Naftali Bennett as from the is a party of Yamina, ठीक है, Yamina party, and he is from the Yamina party, and option 1 is the correct answer. Also known, friend, the Naftali Bennett recently has been he is from the Spetsnaz special forces, and he has been elected newly. And friends, Naftali Bennett has a very the personality has been known for various things, especially for the Kana massacre, ठीक है, where he has been indulged, ठीक है. So and even during the COP21, ठीक है, the prime minister invited Naftali Bennett, ठीक है, to our country. And friends, now next question is as follow in your screen. is that which space agency will launch the Envision mission to explore Venus? Envision. So is it ISRO, is it ESA, is it CNES, or it is Roscosmos? So friends, yes, ISRO will going to launch this Venus mission. Now the next question is, friends, let me correct something. Envision generally, this is a project by the European Space Agency, not the option one, ISRO. It is by European Space Agency. So this program, this is generally launched for the Venus. Okay. So it is. Let me correct the option number two is the correct answer for this. Okay. Now the next question, friends, as you see in the screen, is that name the Indian origin journalist who has won the Pulitzer Prize for exposing China's vast infrastructure for detaining Muslims. ठीक है, so this has done by recently by Megha Rajgopalan. ठीक है, तो she has just I mean, she has been given this Pulitzer Prize. Generally, this is generally prize generally for the English literature publisher like that. So he has exposed the China's vast infrastructure, and very important, friends, can come in the examination. Now next question is as follow in your screen, friends. ICMR has approved the self use of rapid antigen test kit for COVID-19 that has been developed by Merrill Diagnostic. So this has been done by Covifind. ठीक है, Covifind has been approved as a self-use rapid antigen test. Now friends, the next question is as follow. The postage stamp has been released to commemorate the 70th anniversary of India Germany diplomatic relationship. Which historic building is mentioned in the stamp along with India Gate? Along with India Gate, it is mentioned the Brandenburg Gate. ठीक है, Brandenburg Gate along with your India Gate. So the option 1 is the correct answer. Now friends, the next question is as follow in your screen. Which company is building the world's longest open, ठीक है, open subsea cable that will connect the eastern coast of the USA and land Torres of the Argentina? So this accomplishment has been done by recently by Google, ठीक है, who is actually building it, ठीक है, world longest open subsea cable. Now next question is one occasion of World Environment Day. You need to know when the World Environment Day has been celebrated. ठीक है, just comment on the comment box. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 3 E100 ethanol dispensing station in which city under a pilot project? So this recently has been done in the Pune. ठीक है, Pune, and the option 3 is the correct answer. The next question is as follows in the screen. Who has won the Pinter Prize 2021? So Pinter Prize has been won by Siti Danga Remga. Now the next question is as follows in your screen. What is the rank of India in the 17 Sustainable Development Goals? 17 Sustainable Development Goals according to the recent release State of India's Environmental Report 2021. So it is 117, friends, at 17 Sustainable Development Goal according to the release State of India's Environmental Report. Now friends, the next question is this has already been done. So the next question, you can see, friends, which IIT institute has been developed the nanofiber based oral tablet for amphotericin B, that is also called as AMP. So this recently has been done by IIT Hyderabad. The next question is as following your screen. Which state has launched the Mukhyamantri Shishu Seva Akhoni scheme? So this has been done by Mukhyamantri Seva Akhoni scheme, that is done by generally Assam. Fourth option is the correct answer. So which movie has won the best award on environmental conservation at the 67th National Films Award? So water, the Bhuma, like which best film, right? So friends, in this particular option, see option 1 is here is wrong, friends. The actual answer is Water Burial. As I told, Water Burial has won this particular award. See here, what is the thing? Best film on environmental conservation, that is 67 national award. Okay, that is done by water burial. So option 4 will be the correct answer. The next is Reserve Bank of India, RBI, in its recent monetary policy has projected India's GDP growth at what percent for fiscal year 2020? So this has been 9.5%, that which Reserve Bank of India has estimated, projected in India's GDP growth. Now next question is, which of the following ministries has launched the senior care aging growth engine, that is SAGE project? So this recently has been done by the Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry. So option 4 is the correct answer. The next question is, friends, the NASA has announced two missions named Da Vinci Plus and Veritas to explore which particular planet. So to explore the Venus planet, they have launched this two particular mission. Now friends, the next question, as you can see in the screen, which state or union territory has launched Young Tab scheme for the students for encouraging digital learning platform? So is it Ladakh, is it New Delhi, is it Goa, or is it Chhattisgarh? So recently this has been done by Ladakh. Okay friends, the option 1 is the correct answer. Ladakh is the correct answer. The next question is, which country has recently launched its weather satellite, that is named as Fangyong 4B. So by the name you can guess this has recently done by Chinese agency of space. So option 3 is the correct answer. Who has won the prestigious International Booker Prize for the At Night All Blood is Black? Okay, for the book At Night All Blood is Black. So this has been given to the David Diop. Okay, so option 2 is the correct option. Which state has launched the Ghar Ghar Ashadi Yojana? So Ghar Ghar Ashadi Yojana, this recently has been done by Rajasthan. Okay, so very important, this can come in the examination. Which company has launched the first Asia Pacific Public Sector Cyber Security Executive Council? So this recently has been done by the Microsoft. Okay, the next question is in the following screen. Which country has introduced the Equal Access to Green Card for Legal Employment? Green Card for Legal Employment Act. This recently has been banned by USA. United States of America is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Who has won the men's single title at Belgrade Open? Belgrade Open single title. So this recently has been given to Novak Djokovic. Now next question has been in the screen. Kytodactylus bengkhuai, which was discovered in Mizoram, is the species of which animal? So it's the species of lizard. Okay, so option 3 is the correct answer. The next question, in the 74th Health Assembly, it has decided to observe World Neglected Tropic Disease Year, and on which state? Okay, so this is 30 January. Option 3 is the correct answer. Which IIT institution has developed the first of its kind internet thing, that is LOT device, that is AmbiTac, to real time ambient temperature? So IIT Delhi, IIT Ropar, IIT Guwahati, or IIT Bombay? So IIT Ropar has been developed this AmbiTac. So friends, option 2 is the correct answer. The next question, as you can see in the screen, friends, Isaac Herzog has been elected as the president of which country? Okay, so friends, Isaac Herzog is recently been inducted as the president of Israel country. You can easily remember by the name of Isaac. Okay, even the Isaac Newton also just resemble on that, because Israel is the country which has won maximum physics for Nobel Prize for the physics. Now friends, now talking about the INS Sadhayak, after serving the nation for 40 years, was decommissioned at Naval Dockyard Vishakhapatnam. Option 1 is the correct answer. So friends, this was all for this particular part. If you like this video, do share among your friends and subscribe this channel. Email us defenseinfo2020@gmail.com if you have any query, and also join our Telegram channel for further updates and discussion. Till then friends, meet you very soon with a new video.